And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, starting right out with tonight, looking at temperatures dropping down to 39 degrees by tomorrow morning with those increasing clouds throughout the night. But overall, a nice night with just a few clouds until about tomorrow morning, but overall throughout the day tomorrow, expecting a mainly dry day until about late evening when storm chances will creep back in here for your Easter. So looking at a wet end to your Easter, but most of the day looks to be dry for church services and for Easter egg hunts, but do expect to have the umbrella around, especially during the evening with those storms coming in here. A high of 62 degrees will be your high for your Sunday afternoon. Now, starting out with severe weather potential for tomorrow, we do have a slight risk for severe weather from just south of Lafayette and pointing to the south for a level 2 slight risk for damaging winds, large hail, and isolated tornado, with a lesser threat to our north, a marginal level 1 risk for a slightly less threat of some hail and damaging winds. But I do think the large threat as of right now, as it appears to be large hail at this time, with some strong storms potentially producing that as we head towards Sunday evening and Sunday night. And also we do have a threat again for Monday too, with some strong storms likely from Lafayette pointing to the south once again, with a level 2 slight risk and a level 1 marginal risk from North Lafayette pointing to the north. Looking at, again, some strong thunderstorms possible again Monday evening, with the main threats looking to be damaging winds, large hail, and again, a couple tornadoes. But I do think the main threats will be damaging winds and large hail, with the tornado threat being a little lesser for us heading towards Monday. But starting right now with future forecast, we'll start it here at 8 a.m. on Sunday morning, noticing mostly cloudy skies in place for our area. And as you progress throughout Sunday morning, looking at some sunshine for, again, your Sunday afternoon. But watch what happens as we head towards Sunday evening. You notice the storms begin to develop out toward northwest, and by Sunday evening, watching the first of 3 bands of some storms moving into our area. By then, looking at a line of some storms impacting us by then, and that'll continue into Monday morning with some more showers and storms possible throughout the morning before we finally get a break from the action by around daybreak on Monday. And then most of the Monday looks to be pretty good shape-wise, looking at temperatures warming back up to the low 60s by Monday afternoon before next round some storms creeps in here by late Monday afternoon. Noticing the clock 3:30 p.m. noticing another batch of some storms just to our north of Lafayette. They'll move down to the south throughout the evening, and then watching another band of storms developing out toward northwest. And by Monday evening, watching a line of strong thunderstorms moving through portions of the area by Monday evening. And this, which as of right now, this is what the radar will look like Monday evening, with a line of storms coming into our area. And again, the main threats with these storms will be damaging winds and large hail, especially with this last band of some storms coming in here Monday evening. And that will continue into Tuesday morning before we finally shut down that severe weather threat by early Tuesday, as that cold front will move through. And after that, looking at some more showers and a few storms for your Tuesday afternoon. There's some colder weather coming in here by Tuesday night, with temperatures dropping back down to the upper 30s by Wednesday morning. And look at this, looking at quite a bit of rainfall too, with anywhere from about 2 to probably 3.5 inches of rainfall possible between tomorrow evening and Wednesday morning. But I do think this model might be overdoing it a little bit with the totals, but I do think that there will be at least 2 inches of rainfall, at least a good majority of the area between, again, Sunday evening and Wednesday afternoon. So make sure you do download our Storm Team 18 app to get updated on any watches and warnings they do get from the storms. But again, soggy next 3 days. We drop the temperatures down to 42 on Wednesday, up to 52 Friday, and by next Monday, temperatures in the 70s.